She'd stay out there forever if she could. I mean, we really should soak up these days while we can.
Don't you remember how you were when you were young? I'll never forget the day you learned to ski. Even after some pretty hard falls, it was all worth it to see that look on your face. Your dad and I had to practically bribe you to get you out of that lake.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree, does it?
You could say that.
I don't know where the time goes. Our early mornings always turn into long afternoons and late nights. The days go by so fast.
The last 30 years have gone even faster.
Can you believe she'll be out on her own soon?
Well, no matter where her life takes her, we know the lake will always bring her home.
Be in the grip of your arms, far from where I know. Or to see the other side, show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Let's just keep enjoying the ride.